Will you go to jail if you don't file your taxes? This is a question I get a lot, so let me give you the short answer. I think the better question is, when will you go to jail when you don't file your taxes? Because jail time doesn't come right away. It comes eventually after a few things that happened before that. So let me break those down. When you don't file your taxes, the IRS will send you a failure to file notice. They'll say that you haven't filed your tax return and you need to file it by a certain date. If you don't file by that date, then they send you an estimated assessment. This is saying, hey, this is what you need to pay possibly if you don't file. If you still don't file after that, then they send you an actual bill that you must now pay. Then if you actually ignore the bill, then what happens is they possibly go into collection mode. This is they're going to try to levy your bank account. They're going to garnish your bank account. They're going to put a lien on your assets. If after levying or trying to put a lien or garnishing your paycheck, they're not able to get anything, then they start an investigation. In the investigation, they try to see if you're willfully avoiding to file taxes. If that's the case, then they're going to file charges. They're going to file criminal charges against you for willfully evading taxes. And now you're going to be in a legal fight with the IRS. After this legal fight, you're going to probably go back and forth. You're going to have an attorney. And if you get convicted of willfully evading taxes, then you go to jail. So the bottom line is you're not going to jail right away, but there's a bunch of things that happen before that. And the issue is that there's going to be a lot of penalties and interest. So if you do decide to file much later, after these collections and such things happen, your bill is going to be probably double.